In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to paint BDU snow camouflage. To save time in the video, we've already done the prep work and applied a base coat. We recommend full disassembly, abrasive blasting, and thorough degreasing. Our base color is black. The stencil pack we're using in this video is available on our website freedomstencils.com or by clicking the link in the description below. We'll start by applying the finger type shapes from sheets 1 and 2 of the pack. Next, we'll spray our second color. This is going to be a medium gray. Now we'll apply our second set of stencils. These will be larger shapes found on sheets 3 and 4 of the stencil pack. With our stencils in place, we'll apply our third color. The third color is going to be a light gray. Our last set of stencils will be the large shapes from sheets 5 and 6 of the stencil pack. Our fourth color will be white. Once cured, we remove our stencils. To really give it life, we can lightly distress it by spraying some black and rubbing it with steel wool. And that completes Snow BDU. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you next time.